Yo, what's the deal, YouTube? What's the deal? It's your boy DC, aka Dow Collinsworth, aka you know this DC. Today I'm going to talk about how you can make $200 to $500 in US30. Man, it's crazy. Today is not like a big chart markup. You know, I'm going in depth. I'm just letting you know the reason I got in, why I got in. That's the same thing. I'm letting you know the reason I got in, the reason I got out, how much I made today, my indicators, and that's pretty much it. Just to give y'all, you know what I'm saying, a good progress report, let y'all know how I'm doing. So let's get right to the video. Yo, what's the deal? It's your boy DC, aka Dow Collinsworth, aka you know this DC. So, if I call for clear my throat, that's because I was just cleaning shit and I had the awesome and I sprayed too much. But today we was trading US30. That's mainly what I trade, to be honest, US30 and NAS. But I'm currently in 6.01s. I want to tell you the reason that I got in. The reason I got in for a buy is because I've been watching this sale for the past 8 trading days. You go on a daily time frame, you see that it's a downtrend. You know what I'm saying, off the daily time frame. They've been selling for about 8-9 trading days, and I'm like, you know, it's overall on an uptrend off the weekly. And it's been on an uptrend for a long time, to be honest with you. You can go to the monthly. I think US30 been on an uptrend. That's self-explanatory. I don't have to say it. But the reason why I got into a trade today, because it has sold for a long time, and I trade off the stochastic and the RSI. The stochastic it's the green and red line, and the RSI is the blue line. Just look it up. Just like this, screenshot this or whatever you want to do. This is how I got it. These are my parameters. Stochastic, same. I left it as default. I use the RSI specifically because Jeremy got the NBA strategy. You can look them. Sorry, y'all. You can look them up. Jeremy Cash or Jeremy Forex. I forgot, but yeah, just you will find them. So yeah, I use the RSI, and when you look at the daily, the H4, by the way, I'm looking down here on the stochastic and RSI. If you're looking at the daily, the H4, the H1, the 30, a lot of stuff is a lot of the RSIs is telling me that it's going to buy up. Now, I don't know. I don't think it's going to like completely, you know, like, I wouldn't even say that. I honestly think it's going to buy up a lot, to be honest, and continue its uptrend. Let me delete this one. I think it's going to continue up and continue its uptrend off the strength of how price has been selling and exhausting down here. It gave us a long wick. By the way, that blue line is my 50 EMA. This red line is my 200 EMA. The turquoise is my my 20, and that white is my 8. So I normally trade those on a smaller time frame, but let me tell you why I got in. So I use the 8 and the 20 EMA, and I kind of wait for confirmations, and I go off of supply and demand and the RSI. So I got in because my 8 crossed my my 20 EMA, which is telling me that price is going to go up. Now, it's a possibility that price can sell right here or range right here, because it's kind of towards the end of the trading day as far as New York session, which ends at like 4-5-ish. So it could range right here, and it's a possibility that it can shoot back down. I'm this close from like literally just taking my profits because I'm up. You know what I'm saying? And it's getting towards close to 4 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about just really taking it and cutting my losses short, because there's a possibility it can drop. This would be a triple top right here. You know what I'm saying? So if it break through, cool. If it don't, I might just take my cheese. Because this right here is just beyond me. So therefore, I'm gonna see what it do, and we're gonna watch it. It's a possibility it can come back to my buy, my .01 buy right there. So we're just gonna wait on it. But furthermore, we're just really looking for supply and demand, support and resistance, and we're trading off the RSI stochastic. These are all just confluences that I use to trade. So, and it may look like a lot, but it's really not a lot. You know what I'm saying? Some people just like naked charts, and actually I look at my charts naked sometimes with none of my indicators on them. I'm not gonna take them off because I don't feel like putting them all back on. But I normally take them off, to finalize my confirmation, just to get a different look at it. Another guy that I saw, I think I don't know his name, but he actually flips his charts vertically. So that's another thing that I want to try, but I don't think I'm actually trying to. Let me turn this fan off. I don't think I'm actually try that one though. But yeah, this is why I go off supply and demand, support and resistance at these two white horizontal lines, because price, especially I trade up the minute 1 and minute 5. So price has just been bouncing up and down from down here up here, just keep bouncing. Now I broke through here. Now I took an L on that. I'm not gonna lie to you. I took an L on that one because I think this was I don't know what this was. This wasn't news. That wasn't news. But I took an L. So actually we got into the trade. Me, Anthony, this guy named we call him Granny, my boy K Ron, my boy Sean, like we all got in the same trade for the US30 buy. So we actually been going crazy. But this is just my chart. This is how I look at it. So therefore, to sum it up, because I don't want this video to be long, I'm recording it off my phone. It's a possibility that it could sell because price is probably going to exhaust at this key point right here. Look at this white line. It might exhaust and shoot back down. It's a strong possibility, and come back down here. But I don't want to be in that because the market's closed in 30 minutes for like 10-20 minutes or something like that, and open back up. I'm tempting to just take my cheese because it's not really going. If it's gonna shoot up, then cool. But I don't know. I'm waiting on it. But as far as supply and demand and price action goes, this is the area that I'm trading around. Just trading around this entire area right here. And I was hoping to go up to like up here in this area for a buy, but you know how stuff goes sometimes. We take L's all the time. Traders always take L's. That's something that you gotta know. It's not always perfect. It's not always fine and dandy. This really isn't a video explaining, chart work and stuff like that. It's just showing you what trade that I got in today, why I got into it, and just see where it go. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know Forex, I advise you to learn this because you playing yourself at the end of the day. You going to work for 2, 3, 4, 5 years or going to college for that long, and then you're not even making 6 figures. You know what I'm saying? You can make 6 figures in these markets within a year of learning this. You know what I'm saying? Q Banks, Anthony, they can pull $1 million out in a week if they wanted to. So you definitely need to learn this skill. Like don't watch this video and be like, oh, I'm not gonna do it. It's too much. It's rocket science. No, it's not. Everything is rocket science until you learn it. You know what I'm saying? So don't play yourself short. Learn this skill. This was just a short video just telling you, you know what I'm saying, I got in the US30 trade for the buys. It's not really a full chart markup for you guys. This is just another video I can post to let y'all know, my my progress. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, just tune in, like, comment, subscribe, DM me if you got any questions. I'm always here. Definitely, man, if you want to learn this skill, man, just DM me, bro, because you gotta do it for your family at this point. So yeah, so we gonna see how this goes. See, if I were to close, I would just close at 160. Now I'm gonna close. Somebody close at 200. This is the extra 200. Might let it ride out. Wish me luck. I'm gonna come back to y'all in a minute. What's up, y'all? So I just want to show y'all the progress report of what's going on. I'm just in the I'm in the room right now, fan on. That's why it's so noisy. But Just showing y'all the progress. I deleted all my horizontal lines and everything, so I can see it naked when I'm trading. When I'm in the chart, you know what I'm saying? When I'm in the trade, I just look at it naked. So we projecting. If it's long term, we projecting to go at least right here. I didn't really check it with the fib because I don't like using the fib on MT4. So when I go downstairs to my studio, I check it with the fib. But 9 times out of 10, it's gonna stay where it's at. And always, when you trade US30 and you up profits, put your stop loss in profit. For sure, put your stop loss in profit. Always put it at the last zone or whatever, last resistance or support. Always do that. So I'm gonna check back with y'all in like another hour to see what's going on with it. Probably in like 20 minutes, cause I'm probably gonna close before 4 and see what I come up with. All right, catch y'all in a minute. Yo, what's good, y'all? So look, my AirPods is messing up. I don't know why. It would sound like I was underwater, but I was just showing y'all that I had closed out right here. Closed out in profit. Let me see what else it's gonna do. Cause I had pre-recorded it already. So now I gotta rethink of everything I said. So right there I have 4 losses, 4 of the red ones as you see. And the rest was profit. So I'm assuming that I was at this part when I was saying that if I didn't lose that money, I'll probably have, okay, yep, I'm doing it right now. So I'm gonna add it up. Okay, adding all my losses. If I didn't lose, this is what I would have made today. I would have made 442 for today if I did not lose. But you know, good traders have bad weeks. You know what I'm saying? It happens. So I'm not really tripping. It was fun. You know what I'm saying? Next week, definitely look for strong buys on US30. It finally dropped to a key area that I said it was going to drop to 2 days prior. And we looking for strong buys. Oh yeah, read that. Get in and get out these markets. You feel me? Take your money, man. But appreciate y'all for watching. Let's get it.